We're back. So, what are we talking about now, girls? Sit down, Raylan. What are we talking about now? Hair texture?
Hair texture.
Hair texture, yeah.
High five.
High five.
High five.
Ooh, high five. Ooh,
I missed it again.
yeah, there we go. There we go.
I missed
Sit
it
back,
again.
Raylan. Stop doing that,
I
okay?
missed it
Stay seated
again.
back. Can you sit up, Raylan?
Did it play?
Alrighty. So, hair texture.
Hair texture.
What is hair texture?
Long hair.
No. Hair texture is,
Straight hair.
it has to do with each individual strand of hair.
Yeah, straight. We
Yes.
have
Hair-
straight hair.
Hair texture is, sit back, Raylan. Hair texture. Hair texture is, here we go. Okay, get her to her. Hair texture is how, okay, now sit back down. Let's sit back down and let's talk about hair texture, okay?
Hair texture.
Hair texture is
Hair.
how thick or how thin, Raylan, shh, how thick or how thin each strand of hair is. So, if your individual strands of hair are thick, you would say you have coarse hair. If your individual strands of hair are thin, you would say you have fine hair.
Mom.
So-
Dad.
I just told you guys by touching each other, both of their hairs, who has the coarse hair and who has the fine hair. Ramaya has the fine hair. Her individual strands of hair are, if you can't see that, that's probably why, because it's very fine. Are fine. Sorry. She has fine textured hair. So her strands are very thin.
Mommy, her hand was in my face.
I'm sorry. I was showing your hair texture.
Okay, that's okay.
Yeah, you have fine hair. Okay? Raylan, come back and sit down. Come sit down, Raylan.
Who wanted to play pick cap?
Can you sit right here? Thank you. Sit right here so we can talk about your hair. Okay, your hair strands are coarse. Let's pull one of yours out. Okay, let me pull one of yours out. Not out of your scalp, but be still.
Let it go. Mommy, mine still hurt.
Okay.
Only
That's Raylan's strand of hair. Hey, sit up, Raylan. So in the camera, sit up in the camera so they can see. That's Raylan's strand of hair. You probably can see that better than Ramaya's because her hair strands are coarse, meaning thicker strands. These strands are thicker than Ramaya, so she has coarse hair. Raylan has coarse hair. This is coarse hair. This is fine hair. So her strands are very thin. Raylan, sit down, please. Come here. I'm talking about your hair. Sit right here. Her strands are very thin, and her strands are very thick. So she has coarse hair, and she has fine hair. So that's the hair textures they have. So sit down, Raylan. So when someone asks you, what is your hair texture, what would you say? You would say coarse, right? Because you have coarse strands of hair, which means thick strands of hair. And hey, no pushing. Sit down, Raylan. Stay seated, okay?
She's trying to touch my
I'm sorry. Okay.
Raylan's
And you,
trying to touch my hair.
okay, Raylan, sit down, please. And what would you say if someone asked you what texture hair do you have? What would you say?
Fine hair.
Fine textured hair because your strands are very thin. You have thin strands of hair. Okay, girls. Can we sit back down? Sit down. And you too, Raylan, sit down. Sit down. Thank you. So you have coarse hair and you have fine hair. Sit down. All right, so if you like this video on hair texture, sit down.
I want to go.
Sit down. Yes, press the subscribe button if you like our channel. Press the subscribe button, it's free. Press the subscribe button, it's red and free. And if you like this video on hair texture, press the like button.
Press the like button.
It's a thumbs up button and it's free. And if you have any questions, comments, and concerns that are positive, you can comment down below in the comment section.
Comment down below.
Yeah. And we will see you next time.
See you next time.
Have a great day.
Have a